What if I told you you can make money on YouTube without showing your face, without recording your voice, and without even editing videos yourself? Sounds crazy, right? But thousands of people in the US are already doing this. And some are making $1,000 to $10,000 per month using something called right pointing backhand index YouTube automation. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how beginners are starting from zero and building automated YouTube channels that generate passive income. What is YouTube automation? Let's keep it simple. YouTube automation means you create videos without personally appearing in them. Instead, you use script writers, voiceover tools, video editors, AI tools. So basically, you run a YouTube channel like a business. Think of it like this. You are not the creator. You are the manager. How you make money? There are 4 main ways. 1. YouTube ad revenue. Once your channel gets 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for monetization and start earning. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commission. Example: tech gadgets, finance apps, online tools. 3. Sponsorships. Brands will pay you to promote their products. 4. Digital products. Sell ebooks, courses, or templates. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Choose a niche. This is very important. Best niches for US audience: finance, credit cards, investing, side hustles. Motivation: luxury lifestyle, tech reviews, facts and documentaries. Tip: choose a niche with high CPM, cost per 1,000 views. Step 2. Find viral video ideas. Go to YouTube search, trending videos, competitor channels. Look for videos with high views, simple content, repeatable formats. Don't copy, remake in your own style. Step 3. Script writing. Your script should start with a strong hook. Keep sentences short. Build curiosity. You can use right pointing backhand index ChatGPT. Just type. Write a YouTube script on topic with high retention. Step 4. Voiceover, no voice needed. Use AI voice tools like 11 Labs, Murph AI. Choose American accent, natural tone. Step 5. Video editing. Use stock footage plus clips. Tools: CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro. Websites for clips: Pexels, Pixabay. Add subtitles, zoom effects, and background music. Step 6. Upload and optimize. Focus on clickable thumbnail, SEO title, keywords, example title, top 10 side hustles that pay $1,000 per month, 2026. Step 7. Scale the channel. Once you start getting views, outsource everything. Hire scriptwriter, hire editor, automate uploads. Now you're running a content business. Real example: there are channels making $5,000 per month, $10,000 per month, without showing their face. They just post consistently, follow trends, optimize content. Common mistakes: avoid these. Crossmark copy-paste content. Crossmark low-quality voice. Crossmark no consistency. Crossmark bad thumbnails. Right pointing backhand index YouTube rewards quality plus consistency. Pro tips: Upload at least 3 to 5 videos per week. Focus on watch time. Study analytics. Improve every video. Success doesn't come overnight. But if you stay consistent for 3 to 6 months, you can start seeing real income. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like thumbs up sign and subscribe bell for more content like this. And comment below. Automation. If you want a full step-by-step guide. No face equals big money bag. $3,000 month secret. YouTube automation exposed.